Hi, hello. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get jobs in Germany and Sweden. Germany and Sweden are two countries I really like. So if you also like Germany and Sweden, this video is for you. You need to stick around and find out how you can get jobs in Germany and Sweden. If this is your first time watching our video, please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and share this video. Thank you guys. Okay, so for me, I absolutely love Germany and Sweden, but when it comes to visa sponsorship jobs and you waiting for them to send you a reply or contact you or just tell you to start coming, it might take a little while. So if you are that person that wants to travel immediately or almost immediately, the secret to this is to go for the Germany or Sweden job seeker visa. In this particular article, we talk about unlocking job opportunities in Germany and Sweden, and we give you a comprehensive look at job seeker visas and also available jobs. So we just don't leave you hanging with the job seeker visa. We also show you how you're going to just go ahead and get these jobs yourself. So I'm just going to click on this particular article like so. Don't worry guys, I'm going to drop the link in the description box so it is easy for you to just click and go straight to this particular article if Germany and Sweden is something you're interested in or what you're looking for. Okay guys, I'm not going to waste your time. I don't want this video to be long. So in this article, we take our time to take you through the country Germany and also the country Sweden so that you know where you are going to or where you want to go to, and you know if it is something you want to embark on. So if it is something you want to embark on, continue watching. So why I really like the job seeker visa, because it is fast. It is just close to other visas where you can just literally apply, letting them know that you're coming there to work. There's no hanky-panky. They know for a fact that you're coming there to work. You don't need to go as a visitor and start converting. No, they know that this is what you're coming to do, and they are welcoming you to come and search for a job. They are welcoming you to come and be a job seeker. So that is why it is called a job seeker visa. It is legal. It is absolutely welcomed by the Germany and Sweden government. So guys, when you just want to do this or apply for this, you need to come to this article and read all you need to know about opening a Swedish bank account, a German bank account, how to put your money, what to do, health care and insurance, accommodation, review and work contract, register with the tax agencies. Everything you need to know is in this article. All you need to do is take your time guys and read and apply yourself, and it is absolutely free if you're applying yourself. The only things you'll be paying for are your visa fees and other third party fees, which are basic fees, and these fees are not expensive. Those of you who are worried about proof of funds, the proof of funds is actually not expensive for this kind of visa. So guys, you just want to go through this and go through this and go through this and go through this like so. And we also have gone ahead to share some jobs with you so that you can apply. So if you know that this is your field, or we have a lot of jobs here guys, CCC like so. There's administrative staff. Anybody can be an administrative staff guys. You just need to package your CV and your resume properly. We go ahead to show you more and more jobs for Sweden and Germany. Can you see this guys? So you can actually just apply yourself. All the links where you can apply is in the article, and you can just come here, take this and apply yourself and look at the requirements and just apply. And like I said again, if you're a premium member, if you're in our premium group and you need more jobs, you need more visa sponsorship jobs for Sweden and Germany, you can also apply. The amazing part is, for some reason, even after I have showed you all of these tips and tricks in this particular article, how to apply for the job seeker visa for Sweden and Germany, and for some reason you say, oh no, I don't want to do this myself, I want Happy Face to do this for me. Guess what, guys? Aside to your contract fee, you are going to be paying for the processing fee after your visa is successfully approved, because we just want you to travel. Sure, the idea is we do not want you to take on so much cost until you actually have this visa in your passport. So if that is something you're interested in, all you need to do is send us an email to admin@happyfacetravels.com. Find that in the description or comment section somewhere. So guys, go and start applying for the Sweden and the Germany job seeker visa. The Sweden government is actually welcoming Nigerians and Africans to their country. Germany is also welcoming the world to their country, because come on guys, have you seen how ridiculously small the proof of fund for Germany is? So definitely they want us to come. That is why they have made everything super easy, guys. For those of you who want to apply, remember to take your time, at least 3 weeks, to gather all your documents, to make sure your documentations are on point before you apply, so that it reduces your chances of getting denied, guys, so that you can actually get the job seeker visa and be on your way to either Sweden or Germany. Guys, if this is the kind of videos you like, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question whatsoever, guys, also let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to take all your questions. If this is the kind of videos you like, I repeat, if this is the kind of videos you like, let me know, and I'm going to be giving you guys daily dose of this kind of amazing videos, so that you guys can just keep applying and applying and applying and applying. And this particular article will also job opportunities in the United States of America. So there are links embedded in this article for you to apply for a job in the United States of America, especially for health workers. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Just go straight now, right now, hurry up and click on the link and apply by yourself. It is absolutely free if you're applying by yourself. If you're applying with Happy Face, you can send an email to get a breakdown of the requirements and what you need to do for us to apply for you. I love you guys. Thank you guys. See you guys tomorrow, and bye.